So we're going to take a look at the integrated features between Word and Excel. And I have opened up the Integrating One folder in that structure that we downloaded. And I'm going to open up two files. The first one is called PT Word June Hours, and that is a Word document. So this is the document. So I'm going to just double click here. And then the other document is PT Excel June Hours. And I'm going to pull the Word document over here so you can see it. I'll enable the editing on that. And what we're going to be doing is basically copying the contents of this Word table into Excel. So let me pull Excel over. We'll enable editing on that as well. And then I'm going to save this Excel file with a 1 and a dash at the beginning into the Integrating One folder. And then I'm going to navigate back to Word, because at this point they're both open and I have them both down here on my taskbar. So I'm going to go ahead, go into Word. And what you'll notice here is that this little table is a tabular table. So the columns are set up using tab stops. And they want us to copy all 5 lines. I'm just going to left drag, starting in the upper left corner, going down. And I'm going to click on the copy button. Then I'm going to switch over into Excel. So I'm going to point down on the taskbar, click on Excel to activate it. You want to make sure your active cell is in A2. And then to retrieve the contents, all you have to do is click on paste. And you will notice that it recognizes the tabs and it puts the data into separate cells. And they would like E2 activated. And we're going to go ahead and key in total. And they would like that to be bold-faced, which it is. And then we're going to go down to E3. And we're just going to use the sum function to add the values. And so it should put equal sum B3 colon D3 in there. We're going to go ahead and press enter. And I'll take the fill, copy that down. Then we're going to go down to A7. And this should be bold, so we'll go ahead and turn it on. Key in total. And then I'm going to right arrow over to B7. And again, I'm going to just click on auto sum. And that looks good for the range, so I'm going to press enter. We'll click back up on that result and use the fill handle to copy across. And at this point, they want us to select our entire table, so A2 through E7. And we are going to format this as a table. So we're actually going to click on that. And they would like table style 11 light. Where is the light one? Right here. So I'm going to go ahead and click on that. That is the correct range, and my table does have a header row, so I'm going to go ahead and click OK. And at this point, it is now formatted as a table. Now, what they would like us to do is get rid of the filtering arrows. So I'm just going to highlight my headings. And let me go into the home ribbon here. I'm going to click on sort and filter. And let me get rid of filter here because that will get rid of those arrows. And now I just simply have a formatted table. The only other change that we're going to have to make really is to that first column because some of the text is chopped off. So I'm just going to come up here on the line between A and B, and I'm going to do auto fit or best fit. So I'm going to double click, and that makes it wide enough. And at this point, we are going to go ahead and save our changes.